Oh my god. Hey guys, Officer earlier here. Now we're at the Mountain Monster. Yeah, we're here. This thing is really, really crazy. So it's like a combination of 3 different rides all in one. All on this huge, like, 3-tower complex. It's ridiculous. Let's go to the ticket booth real quick and see what they have to offer, because it doesn't look like a lot of people are riding this stuff right now. So we should just be able to get right on the rides. There's actually like a Jeep rally in town. You can see them all driving in the background. They're all parked in the lot. So we thought it was super busy here, but like it's just the Jeep rally. So yeah, we're gonna get some rides on these real quick, and then hopefully get some other credits here, because there's no credits in this area. It's just the rides. Yeah, we're doing the Monster Launch and the Monster Fall. It ends up being, what is it, 40, 30? Yeah, I'm bad at math. Yeah, we're gonna do this launch ride now. That's the seat. This is it. Jesus Christ, dude. This thing is like bare minimum. This thing kind of looks sketchy, not gonna lie. It's like 100 feet tall or some shit. Man. Oh yeah, big stand check-in's classic. This thing is ridiculous. Oh yeah? Oh yeah, I bet.
It's the first visit he didn't ride it.
All
right, guys, lift your feet off the ground for me.
Okay. That's so funny. You have to you adjust it for the weight.
Absolutely.
Balanced. But I want to fly into the tower. Can you adjust it for that?
Nope.
Can you adjust it to make us fly further out that way? That'd be funny. Oh man. Lift the feet up.
Lift the feet.
Feet.
All right, you can put them down.
Okay. Is there like a countdown, or do we just kind of go?
We don't know how to count.
Oh. I'm sorry? Whoa! Oh, what was she saying? That was terrifying. Oh my god. I don't know, she was trying to tell me something last second, like like my seatbelt wasn't fastened or something. Okay? Oh yeah, I'm fine. Did I like ride it wrong? Huh? Oh yeah, you really get freaking shot back down again. Holy crap, yeah. Wait, I was supposed to hold on to this? Was I okay?
Yeah, you're good.
Oh, alright, she was like trying to say something.
Put those feet up, guys.
Oh, okay. Yep,
Alright.
Wow.
Woo! Lift those feet up again.
Yeah.
I'm dragging you.
Okay. Whoa! 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 Holy shit! Whoa! Whoa! Oh, I didn't realize this went up higher like that. Whoa! Dude, what? That was freaking insane, man. What the f-
It's basically an S&S shot, but you're on a saddle.
Oh, this thing is freaking ridiculous.
You guys want to go one more?
Yeah, dude.
Flip or no flip?
Oh, flip.
Lift those feet up.
Okay. We're getting a bonus ride. Oh,
Absolutely.
what a nice guy. You're awesome, man. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh no.
See ya.
Ah! Oh! Whoa! Oh! Wow! Holy shit, dude! Whoa! Oh man! I need to sit down for like 10 minutes after this. Whoa! I'm like shaking right now. Oh my god! Hello.
We're gonna unbuckle you. Just stay seated, okay? Did you want to put your?
I think I almost just died.
Again. All right, like I said, guys, unlock. Stay seated.
Okay. That was so good, man. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much.
And just stay right there for a second.
Yeah. Oh my god.
All right, guys, on the count of 3, we're just going together. 1, 2, 3.
Oh my god. Oh.
All right, guys, you got that drop tower left.
Oh fuck. Dude. Oh my god. That might have been the best ride of the whole trip, man.
The other side.
Oh. Thank you.
This is the best ride of the trip.
Yeah. Dude. Oh my god. Oh my god. I did not think that was gonna shoot twice. And then he shot us for a freaking 3rd time, and now we're about to get right on this freaking huge drop tower. Whoa, where's my over-the-shoulder harness? How tall is this thing? 200. 200? Oh. Oh, I'm so glad we rode this before it got dark too.
Yeah.
They clearly don't mind me recording POVs. That guy seems to be an enthusiast. This area is really cool. You got, what's the name of that park?
Island at Pigeon Forge.
That's the Island at Pigeon Forge. They have that cool Ferris wheel, and they have a few other rides, right? They have it looks like a spinning, is that a Wild Mouse coaster down there?
Oh.
It looks like one.
What is that?
It looks like a Wild Mouse or something. Oh shit. Oh, dude, we're at the top.
Oh, damn.
Oh my god. There's literally nothing to freaking hold on to. Please wait, give me this. What the Oh god.
Oh, God.
Oh shit. Oh! Whoa! Wow. That was really forceful.
Can we go again?
Oh yeah.
Cycle. Alright guys, we're just gonna leave them unlocked for just a second.
Forever?
No. We can? Just take one out.
Oh god,
Let it go
no.
with just one.
I'm good. I think we're good.
You don't want to live dangerously?
No, I think this is quite dangerous enough, to be fair.
No, it's not.
I might have to write. I might have to write Stan an email.
For that. Every once in a while, I'll get a really awful wall text from him that I'm like, I don't know what this says.
Oh god. Here's the catch car. Whew.
Oh my god, this thing's crazy. Did you guys get a dolly with it?
Oh yeah.
Rod open?
Oh yeah. I know, right? He just said it was lightning rod open, and he was like, "Oh wow, really?"
Yeah.
Holy crap! They're excellent, man. You know what? This place is really cool.
Yeah.
You know, if it's really busy, they're not going to send you around for a second go like they are today.
Yeah.
But they're giving us a go. Maybe because I'm a streamer, I'm attracted more people over to this area. They could probably hear me all the way out at Dollywood.
I wish the mountain monster itself wasn't like $40.
Oh yeah, that thing's expensive as hell, man.
Yeah. Whatever, that's just great.
Oh, yeah. I think I'm gonna ride my hands off this time. Oh god. Uh-oh. Wow. Oh, excellent. Excellent. So freaking good. Oh,
These are honestly some of the best rides you'll find.
yeah, this is like the best. This is the best non-coaster I rode this trip.
Follow him out that way.
Holy shit. Short trip, but some of the most adrenaline I think I've ever felt in my entire freaking life. So they have this shot tower over here that we went on first. I think that's only what? No, that's like 30, no, 20. How much was that one?
It was 30 for both of them.
It was 30 for both of them? Oh, yeah, that's right. I forgot what I paid already. That's how freaking insane these rides are. Yeah, so Stan Checketts, which is the owner of SNS, Sansei, or just SNS. They partner with Sansei to do rides here in America. But yeah, the owner of SNS, Stan Checketts, designed this. They call it the monster for a freaking reason, man. There's a slingshot ride on it with like 2 seats on either side that we rode, and it launches you pretty tamely the first time. About halfway up the tower, you get launched, and it's not very fun, really. I was like, wow, that's it, and then the operator like pulls our whole swing back and like latches it onto this like hook thing, and we start. He launches us up at an angle with the car set even higher up, and so we go like twice as high, and then we do a freaking flip, and then we come down, and then he's like, oh yeah, why don't you want to go again? So we did it again, and then we went on the other ride, the drop tower ride. That was a little bit less insane, but the slingshot ride, you guys have to ride this thing. It's totally worth the money. No joke.
Yeah.
Oh man, yeah. No credits here, but that thing, you gotta ride it. Gotta go. Gotta. Okay, off to the next one. We're going to a mountain coaster, right?
Rowdy Bear, yeah.
Yeah, we're going to
Well,
Rowdy
not a
Bear.
mountain coaster. We're going to do the coaster cart and the suspended one.
Yeah. Look at all these Jeeps. Is there like a countdown, or do we just kind of go?
We don't know how to count.
Oh. I'm sorry? Whoa! Oh, what was she saying? That was terrifying!